Hey guys, so welcome to the Hourglass. Today is going to be our last show, sadly, but that's not bad news at all because we have some good news coming up for you. There's going to be a new reality TV show coming up on Star Plus, and I know you guys surely do not want to miss that out. The new show is what we're going to talk about today. It's called The Heroine Hunt, and it's an amazing show that's going to be so much fun to watch, guys. You should surely check this out. It's going to be starting next Sunday at 2 p.m. Okay, don't forget that. I'll tell you some things more about the show that apparently what the guys have told me. They've told me that this show is only for the youth of India, for the younger generation people out there. I hope you're listening. We have these great theatre artists, and I'm sure you've heard of them before. Is Russell Peters and Sagar Shah judging the show? Yeah, guys, you heard it right. And they're going to be coming to all these colleges like Wilson and Jai Hind and stuff like that, and they're going to interview these young, pretty-looking girls, and they're going to find out the next Bollywood star from there. Personally, I think they found the inspiration from Student of the Year. Anyways, so this reality show is basically having 10 different stages, and every heroine will pass this stage and go through the next stage if they complete each and every element of being a Bollywood heroine according to these judges. The controversial thing about this show, which I think is going to mainly attract you guys, is that there are only male judges in this show. Yes, there's no female judges. Can you imagine a heroine hunt with no females judging the show? Yeah, only males, you know. And these guys think that keeping males as judges for the show is going to make it more controversial, more fun. And plus only men, where they look out for the heroine aspect in women. You know, females don't look at the heroines, they look at the heroes. So the one thing that we have something different in the show. It's a bit gender biased, but I'm sure if you look at it, it's going to be something different. I think that's a different aspect of it. Anyway, so the show has three different aspects like acting, dancing, and beauty and grace. There are three main aspects they're going to look at in search of a heroine. This is all I can tell you guys about this show. This is all they've revealed about it. This show is going to come up on your Digicom by Sunday, and I hope you all watch it. Every single episode is going to be amazing fun, and I think it's going to be something great. So don't miss out on this show. It's called Heroine Hunt, every Sunday at 2 p.m. on Star Plus. This is Dishti Desai, and this is one of our last goodbyes to you great listeners. And I'm going to miss all you guys so much. Oh my God. Anyways, I hope you're looking forward to this new show. It's a reality TV show. See you guys. Have a great time. Goodbye, folks.